Well, I mean, they were together for a while. I mean, like I said, I'm not surprised at all that it was her. Because, like I said, like they look at each other and there's a little twinkle in their eye. The birds and the hearts floating around their head.
Ain't no birds on butter. What you talking about?
Well, I can't get the last one out.
I was at a restaurant at Raw Sushi. Yeah, I kind of saw her from a distance. And I couldn't keep my eyes off her. And I remember I was standing by a heat lamp, so I would peek over.
Don't think so much.
And then eventually she kind of caught me looking at her. And so I got started and I turned around and looked away. But then when I looked back, she was still, she was smiling at me. I'll never forget that day.
So, you're being bright little the last couple of days.
Yeah, man, I'm
Nervous?
a little bit. As the time gets closer, I get more nervous and nervous. But it's all worth it. Yeah.
Who's more nervous, you or?
I think me. You see me yesterday, she was so relaxing, just chilling. And me here, like, being bridezilla, but
No pictures.
no pictures, no photos.
Places we got to be, we'll sit beneath the mango tree now. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. We're somewhere in between together. Well, it's always better when we're together.
She's the only one that really brought another side of me out. She did make me more, outdoorsy, and she's very adventurous. Every time, she's the only one to ever make my knees buckle.
I believe in memories, they look so pretty when I sleep. And when I wake.
She just asked, hey, would you mind converting to Muslim if when we decide to get married? I was like, I'll think about it. It's something that we both discussed and kind of agreed upon. And I thought about it a couple of days and I told her, it's fine. It worked out. I'm Muslim now.
The real beauty behind this Valentine's Day is this ring and all the trials and experience we will get from this moment on. I will love you and honor you with all my heart. I promise to be a good husband, listen to you, and have more meaningful conversations. Understand you with an open mind, communicate and work out our differences. Laugh with you, cry with you, and discover the world, our world, with you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I greet you with the Islamic greeting of Assalamu alaikum. May the peace and blessings of the Almighty be on each and every one of you.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, wal aqibatu lil muttaqin wa nabiyyana wa habibana al alameen. That completes the marriage ceremony, and I hope you all understood everything that I done. Did you understand it? No. Marriage is the union of two unique personalities who are one in essence. The two individuals with two different personalities, two different priorities, two different expectations and likes are coming together.
Like I'm ready, 'cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dance?
not give up when you still have something to give. Do you have something to give? You sure? What you have to give? Not everything. Love. Love, man. You have to give love. That's why you're here. The quickest way to receive love is to give love. Oh, you knew that one, eh? That's a good one. The quickest way to receive love is to give love. Nare takbir. Nare takbir. Nare takbir.
And now we'd like to invite the groom to the stage.
Rainier. The flutterflies and excitement became more and more as this day was approaching. Now here we are, getting married in front of our loved ones, and I already knew this was going to mark the best day of my life. Everyone's love story is different, but ours is my favorite. Fate and the right timing led us to cross paths again, and it must have been the way you enjoy waking up early just to make me breakfast, or when you make sure to kiss my eyeballs before I sleep, and by simply the way we are with each other. It's the simple things you do that make me so drawn to you, and I know I'll be in good hands from this day forward. Till the end of our days, I vow to be by your side. I love you.
All right, without further ado, we are going to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Cruz. Give a warm welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Cruz. Long life, happy marriage, and everything in between.
Of everything that I wanted to have, it made me see there was something missing. Oh yeah, for the ending of my first begin. Oh yeah, and for the rare and unexpected friend. For the way you're something that I never choose, but at the same time something I don't wanna lose, and never wanna be without ever again. You're the best thing I never knew I needed. Said when you appeared, I had no.
How's everyone feeling this evening? Oh, you can do better than that. There you go, there you go. Well, I'd just like to thank everyone for joining us on our special day. Family and friends and those who traveled great distance. Mom and Dad, thank you for the support. Uncle Danny, Amelia for coordinating the event. Amy's mom, my mother-in-law now, Aaron, Hamza, Nadia, Auntie Mas, Lisa, Cherie, and the DBL staff for their assistance in preparation for this event. My most especially my sincere appreciation to Auntie Leia for offering the use of her beautiful home. Karima, Kasi, if I said that right. Have fun and enjoy, everyone. Thank you.